Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be putting away all of the Christmas decor. I did take down a Christmas tree already. I did that last night, but I wanted to just finish up everything on camera today, and it was really late when I took down a tree, but I needed my husband's help, so I had to, you know, do it last night. He's at work now, so I'm just gonna finish up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna decorate in this video. I might show you guys some of the things that I plan to do, but I am gonna keep the living room the way I had it, so I'll put those items back. But like in the dining room, I want to switch it up. I used to have a console table over here, but I took it out and I put the bar cart in here. So now I have my two bar carts. I had this in the garage because it just didn't look good in the space with the console table, but I'm just playing around with stuff. I think I'm gonna keep my two bar carts in here like I had it, you know, at our old house, because I really like it. But I'm just playing around with stuff, guys. I put the console table over here where the tree used to be, and I wanted to put a console table here anyways, so I decided to just use the one I have instead of going out and buying a new one. I can just use this one because it's not like I absolutely need to have a console table in this space. I'm still searching for the right art that's gonna look good with this rug. So still on the hunt for that, but I'm just gonna, you know, play around with what I have for now. I'm not gonna keep the plant here. I just put it there to get it out of the way because it was in the dining room where this bar cart is, so I had to, you know, take it out of the space. I want to show you guys this vacuum as well because I am collaborating with Lavoie, so I have to give them a really big thanks for sponsoring this video. So let me just put it back together. I was using it last night because I had a ton of glitter and just like flock from the Christmas tree. So this is the cordless 2-in-1 stick vacuum cleaner, and oh my goodness, guys, I love it. I need to empty it out because I was using it last night like all over the house. This is where you charge it, and here are the attachments for it. You do get two, but with this one you can use it in two different ways. Just depends on what you need to clean. So if you need the brush, then you can just slide it up to use the brush, and if not, you can just put it back down. So you can place the attachments directly onto the bottom of the stick, which is really great when you need to clean higher areas, or you can attach it to the head of the vacuum and use it that way, just depending on where you're cleaning. And you can also mount this to the wall, so it has a bracket for that with the screws, and you have this piece here that'll clean the brush for you. So if you need to get hairs off of the brush, then this is what that is for. But you don't have to mount it to the wall because it gives you the option to just sit it on the base. So there's a hook here that you can use, and on the back you have the slot for it, and that way you don't have to worry about it like falling and breaking if you don't want to mount it to the wall. And when it's time to empty it, all you have to do is open the bottom, and it also tells you on the vacuum how to clean it. Like if you need to clean your filters and stuff, it'll tell you that right there on the side. And the one thing I do love about this vacuum is that you don't have to switch out the beater bar if you're going from carpet to wood floors. All you have to do is adjust it on the handle. So if you're doing hard floors, then you'll do option 1, and carpet is option 2, and the speed will increase. It's like more powerful when you're doing carpet. And you do have your indicator for your battery life here. It will last you a pretty long time. I believe it's like 40 minutes before you have to like put it on the charger. So that's a pretty long time to me. It doesn't take me 40 minutes to vacuum. Even if I was doing this entire house, I don't think it'll take me 40 minutes. So this is the vacuum I'm gonna be using in this video. I know I'm gonna get questions about it, so I just wanted to talk about it now, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started with just getting this place in order and putting away all of this Christmas decor. But if you wanna get your hands on this vacuum, just check the description box. I will have it linked there.
Try to breathe, call you 7:22 a.m. Love the tone of your voice.
done. As you can see, I did not decorate. I just, you know, wanted to get the place nice and clean. I did switch out the bench. I put the blue one in the bedroom and I just put this one here. I'm gonna do some shopping again, see if I can find the art, or I just might take this rug out of here. That way I can just put whatever art that I want on this wall. I really want to bring in the navy blue into this space, so I wanted to get art with navy blue in it, but I have yet to find something that looks good with this rug. So I just might put this rug in the bedroom. I definitely want it to be very cohesive because I have the like navy blue and stuff in the living room, and I really want to have it in here as well. But I will definitely figure it out, and hopefully soon. I want to do a separate video anyways for the dining room, so stay tuned for that. And then the kitchen is clean, not decorated. I'm still looking for stools for the island. And the living room is back in order. I didn't make any changes in here. So I have a video on this space in case this is your first time and you're wondering like where items are from. I do have a room tour. You can click on the card at the top of the screen if you want to watch that video. But this is how it looks, exactly how I had it before. Didn't make any changes at all because I really love how it looks in here. So yeah, just watch the video if you want to know where anything is from. And let me not forget, over here I have the console table with the lamps. I do plan to put some frames above the console table, but I need to get them out of storage. I just need to get this placed in order. It's been really hard finding stuff here because I don't live close to the home decor stores anymore. In Virginia, I was like 5 minutes, 10 minutes away. Here, I have to drive at least 30 minutes just to get to these stores. So I don't go out as often anymore. So it's been taking me longer to just finish up these spaces. But as far as the kitchen, I don't have to do a ton of decorating in here because it looks really good. I just need to get my seating and play around with like the decor that I'm going to put on the island. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. Don't forget to check out the vacuum, guys. I will have that linked. It's a really great vacuum. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.